Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Saskia Aulia from Economic Education in 2017 from the Faculty of Economics at the Jakarta State University. Previously, I thank the main supervisor Mrs. Santi Susanti, SPD MAK, and also to the latter the second supervisor is Mrs. Dr. Andes Sri Julaihati, MSE, who has guided me in compiling this proposal from the beginning to the present. I will present my thesis proposal with the title is The Effect of Teacher Profession Perception, Self-Efficacy, and Family Environment toward Accounting Teacher Interest in Economic Education, Student State University of Jakarta. In this presentation, I will explain a few points, namely the first. The first is chapter 1 preface about background formulation of the problem, research purposes, research novelty, and chapter 2 studies literature about description of the theory and relevant research, theoretical framework, research hypothesis, and chapter 3 is methodology research about time and place of research, research approach, population and sample, data collection technique, and data analysis technique. Well, why did I choose this title? Because it based on interesting background to research. The first is education has an important role in the long-term interest of human life. The Indonesian nation must have a better quality of education so that is not left behind with other countries. Second, teachers as professionals play a role in implementing the national education system. Teachers are required to always develop in accordance with the times, technology, and science. And the third is the low interest of prospective students in choosing education majors. Quote from the data from the Academic and Student Affairs Department of the Faculty of Economics in 2019, the total applicants for the Faculty of Economics is Education Department were 33.9%, lower than the total for the non-educational majors Faculty of Economics is 66.90%. The fourth, the teacher profession is not the first choice of the student in choosing a job. Quote from the data from Tertiary Study Faculty of Economics, University State of Jakarta, alumni class 2016 or 2070 did as many as 37.9% of alumni work in private companies engaged in services, while 15.5% work in schools as teachers. With some the background that I explained, I will conclude the formulation of the problem to be examined. The first is there an effect of student perception about the teaching profession on their interest in becoming a teacher? Is there an effect of self-efficacy on interest in becoming a teacher? Is there any influence from the family environment on interest in becoming a teacher? The fourth is there an effect of student perception about the teacher profession, self-efficacy, and family environment on their interest in becoming a teacher? Furthermore, what are the purpose and benefits of the research? Namely is purpose of the research test. The first is testing the effect of student perception about the teaching profession on interest in becoming a teacher. The second, testing the effect of self-efficacy on interest in becoming a teacher. The third is test in the influence of the family environment on interest in becoming a teacher. The fourth is examining the effect of student perception about the teaching profession, self-efficacy, and family environment on interest in becoming a teacher. Benefit of the research is theoretically, this study is expected to increase knowledge and insight about the factors of interest in becoming a teacher and can provide empirical evidence of the influence of student perception of the teaching profession, self-efficacy, and family environment on interest in becoming a teacher in economic education students at the State of University of Jakarta. Practically, benefits for parties is economic interest, author, and college student. From the background explanation, it must be supported by several theories, which will be explained in Chapter 2. In it, there is a student perception about the teacher profession, about definition indicator, interest in becoming a teacher about definition indicator, and self-efficacy about definition and indicator, familiar environment about definition in indicator. Interest in becoming a teacher. Definition. Interest is a feeling of preference and interest in something or activity without being asked. From Salameto, 2010. Teachers are professional educators with the main task of educating, teaching, guiding, directing, training, assessing, and evaluating students in early childhood education to formal education, basic education, secondary education. Interest in becoming a teacher is a person's interest in the teaching profession which is shown by feeling of liking, joy, interest, and wanting to become a teacher from Haryawan et al. 2019. Factors that influence student interest in becoming teacher include family environment, teacher profession perception, self-efficacy, school field introduction, social association, information on the world of work, teacher welfare and personality, indicator or elements of interest in becoming a teacher is cognition, knowing, second emotional or feeling, the third is connection or will. The next is student perception about the teacher profession. Definition. From Asrori 2020, perception is a process for translating all information obtained from the environment both through sight, hearing, appreciation, and feeling. From Normawati et al. 2019, the teacher profession is people who have and educate teacher education, a background, the expertise of teachers in carrying out educational tasks in obtained after taking certain teacher education. And students' perception of the teaching profession are studying, assessing, interpreting, and student perspective, which include the role of teacher, teacher rights, and teacher obligation. The next is self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is a person's belief about his ability to show certain performance that can affect his life. From Christiani 2016. Indicators or aspects of self-efficacy include the first magnitude, the second generality, the third is strength. The next is family environment. The family environment is a place where a person is first raised, educated, and their development is influenced by the family. From Sharbini 2014. Family environment indicator is include the way parents educate, second relationship between family members, the third is home atmosphere, fourth the economic situation of the family. Theory is supported and proven by several relevant studies. The first is Desti Wahyuni and Radiani Satyani 2017 with the title The Effect of Teacher Professional Perception, Family Environment, Self-Efficacy on Interest in Becoming a Teacher. Second is Niselina Nur Amalia and Hengki Pramusminto 2020 with the title The Influence of Perception, Self-Efficacy, and Family Environment on Interest in Becoming a Teacher, and Ulrika Bigmart et al. 2018 with the title Why Become a Teacher? Student Teachers, Perception of the Teaching Profession and Motive for Career Choice. Furthermore, the connecting theory is the first influence of student perception of teaching profession on the interest in becoming a teacher is namely the theory of the Peter 2019 11 and from Robbins and Jets 2012. The factors that influence perception according to our interests, habits, and contingency. students have personal characteristics in using their according to include attitudes, personality, motives, interests, past experience, and one's expectation. The second of affect self-efficacy on becoming a teacher. Self-efficacy can affect interest in how a person successfully completes their tasks and receives opinion to improve their that is the task that is meant to be a teacher from Dewi et al. 2019. The effect environment family environment on becoming a teacher is the development of one's interest in influenced by environmental factors, one of which is the family environment. A person gaining experience comes from the family environment, which is a person's first environment in developing their interest, namely the interest in becoming a teacher from SCDK 2020. And the effect for all student interest in becoming a teacher according to is influenced by several factors, namely the family environment, perception of the teacher profession, self-efficacy, introduction to school field, social friends, information on the world of work, teacher welfare, and personal. This theory from Rahmadiani 2017. With the explanation of the theoretical framework, the research concludes the hypothesis of this study is there is a positive influence between students' perception of the teaching profession and their interest in becoming a teacher. There is a positive influence between self-efficacy and interest in becoming a teacher. There is a positive influence between family environment and interest in becoming a teacher. There is a positive influence between student perception of the teaching profession, self-efficacy, family environment, and interest in becoming a teacher. Furthermore, the third chapter regarding research methodology is Methodology Research, Chapter 3 in State University of Jakarta Research Place and at Rawamangun East Jakarta, and research time is April for finish. Methodology research is research use a quantitative approach with a survey method with data collection techniques in the form of a questionnaire. This method was chosen because it is in accordance with the objective of the study, namely to obtain data or collect information from respondents by using a questionnaire. Population and sample. Population is related to all groups of people, even or objects that are the center of research for researchers to research from Hermawan and Yusran 2017. Population is all education students in the Faculty of Economics State University Jakarta, and affordable population is all 2017 students of Economic Education Faculty of Economics Jakarta State University. Its population is 160 and sample is 115. I use using theory Slovin technique, random sampling technique using Slovin is 115. Data collection technique is interest in becoming a teacher. Conceptual definition is interest in becoming a teacher is an interest and liking from within the individual that encourages and influences a person's behavior to realize his desire to choose a profession as teacher. Operational definition. Interest in becoming a teacher is someone who has an interest and drive to find out about the teaching profession. The variable of interest in becoming a teacher can be measured by indicator of cognition or knowing, the presence of knowledge and information about the teaching profession, emotion or feeling, namely greater attention to teaching, profession and connection or will, namely the ability and desire to become a teacher. The next is student perception about the teacher profession. Conceptual definition is student perception of the teaching profession or assessment interpretation in students' perspective on the teaching profession which originate from the role, circumstance, and condition of the teacher's life. An operational definition is student perception variable about the teaching profession with two concepts can be measured through indication of understanding and assessment of the role of teacher, understanding on assessment of teacher rights, understanding and assessment of teacher obligation. The next is self-efficacy. Conceptual definition. Self-efficacy is person's belief about his ability to show certain performance that can affect his life. Operational definition is self-efficacy variables can be measured stock indicators, namely the magnitude of believing in the ability to move the task to become a teacher with certain difficulties, generality or strength, and belief in the ability to do the task to be a teacher completely. And the next is family environment. Conceptual definition is the family environment is the most important environment because most of the education that children receive is in the family. Operational definition is family environment. Variables can be measured by indicators of how parents educate, relationship between family members, home atmosphere, family economic condition. Measurement scale. Measurement of data for each variable is done by giving a scale to each answer to the question or statement in the questionnaire. The scoring in this study was based on the Likert scale, and by using two positive statements and a negative statement, the variables measured on the Likert scale are translated into variable indicators. Positive scale weights and negative scale weights. Strong, agree, agree, adopt tool, disagree, strongly, disagree. Validity and reliability. I use validity and reliability. Validity test is effort to ensure the level of validity of this instrument used in the research, data collection instrument from user and there is. And I use method reliability statement items that have been valid will then be tested for the reliability. Reliability test is a test of an instrument for collecting data to find out the extent of the durability or reliability of the data from the Yusuf and Daris 2019. And I use data analysis techniques is multiple regression analysis, test recruitment analysis, the first normality test and linearity test. And third is hypothesis testing. I use F-test and T-test. The fourth is analysis of the coefficient of the determination or R2. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.